Hello everybody, this is BioTF Anime, and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a keycap puller out of paperclips. You'll need two standard paperclips and some pliers. The first step is to straighten out your paperclips either using your hands or with the pliers. Then you have to measure the sides of your keycaps, although they should be standard, so it should be around the same size. The keycaps came out to be about 5/8 of an inch, or about a little more than 1.5 centimeters. So here I tried to measure out the middle, but I kind of just gave up at the end. So you can just estimate it, really. So now, using my trusty solar system ruler, I tried to measure out the same length for the side to the paperclip, and at the edges of the measurement you want to bend the paperclip as close to 90 degrees as possible. However, as you can see, my measurement was a bit too short, and so I have to increase the length of the measurement by a little bit, so make sure you have enough. Your measurement of the paperclip is longer than the side length of the keycap. Once it fits, you're done one, and you're ready to do the same thing to the second paperclip. Next, you have to make hooks at the ends of these paperclips so that they can be hooked onto each other. This part can be very frustrating because it takes a lot of adjusting, so be patient. And also for my own, I folded them in so that the ends of the paperclips won't be pointed out when using, and it also won't come out as easily. So using the hooks, or if you folded the ends of the paperclip in the loops, you can attach them together like a clamp. And adjust as you see fit to make it more even, and also try keeping the horizontal part of the puller straight. Once you are satisfied with it yourself, you are done, and you can use it to remove your keycaps. So to use it, you just put the key puller onto the desired keycap you want to pull out, then hold it by the hooks where it connects, and apply enough force to just pull it out. Downsides to this is that you can't use it with one hand, and also try to be gentle as you do not want to damage the key switches, but as a temporary solution, it works. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and that it helped you make your very own keycap puller out of paper clips.